everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today we have a bags haul. It's been so long since I did a bags haul. So I have a couple of pieces that I want to show you guys, especially since colleges and workplaces are back. So I had to switch on the fan because it's a little hot. But yeah, please bear with me, and now let's begin. So I have a couple of bags to show you guys, and these are all vegan and PETA approved. So these are the bags from Zouk. So I have a couple of different things to show you guys, and also all their designs are inspired by Indian culture and heritage, as you can see. So this is the Ikat one, but they have a lot of different ones, and you guys know I'm a huge fan of Ikat prints, so I definitely had to get this. So I have a couple of pieces to show you guys, and in general they have different types of bags. Like this is one size, and they have like a bigger size, and they also have laptop bags, clutches. So they have a wide variety of options in different colors. There's a light pastel one also, which I was super into, and there's like different colors and patterns. All of them look so beautiful, and the best part is that you can carry them both with Indian wear and also Indo-Western or like office wear as well. So you can wear them with formals, you can carry them with like casual dresses, you can even carry them with Indian wear, of course. So they're very, very versatile. Now I'll show you guys what I picked up. So this is the first bag. So this is what it is. So here it has a Zouk written here, and this entire thing is it has these lines. It is sort of like Ikat, but slightly different pattern because I already have one in Ikat. So that's what it looks like, and on the side it's all tan, and even this part has tan, and rest of it is this pattern. So the back is also very similar, and this is an amazing size. I love the size. If you remember, I used to have one in this exact shape like a couple of years back. I think when I first started my channel, I did a what's in my bag video. You'll see a similar pattern in that. I absolutely love this size and shape because they're so spacious, and you can literally dump everything into this, and they make for perfect office or college bags. Basically, I'm already using it, so I have a couple of things here, charger and my camera wire. So it's like super spacious. So once you open it up, you will see different compartments. So there is a zipper right here. So basically it's like a huge space. I have like some snacks and masks here, and they have a couple of compartments. So here you have like two compartments on the side, so you can place your phone and other things, probably comb or like some other things like perfume and all that. And here there's a zipper. So here I put my lipstick, car keys and other things. So these are the two compartments, and rest of the center space is like pretty huge. And they also come with these, so you can extend them and carry them on your shoulder. So I also have the wallet, so I place the wallet inside. So this is what I'm talking about when I say I love Ikat. So just look at this, it looks so gorgeous. Again, perfect with Indian wear. You can wear it with like some dresses as well. It's your perfect everyday use wallet for like casual daytime. So it has Ikat print. This one's like black and white. I really like this, and it has a zipper at the back, so you can put your coins here. It has like a little bit space. You can even put a lipstick here if you're carrying just this. And again, they have different sizes in there. They have a really long one as well, but I like this size. So you can fit in your cash and everything really well. So it has like a long space, and of course for your cards and anything else here, and yeah, visiting cards or whatever that goes here. So that's your wallet. And I also have a discount code, by the way, so I'll put it right here, so you can use my discount code to get a 15% discount. So yeah, go for it. I would definitely recommend these. These are the ones that I recently added to my collection, and I absolutely love them. I'm actually going on like a short trip, and I'm going to carry this bag because it's like super spacious, and you can put in everything, your makeup. Basically, if you're taking it to work or college, then you can put in a little snacks ka dabba and also a tiny water bottle, like a sipper. It goes into it perfectly. Like recently I went out somewhere and I put small water bottle and also some snacks like biscuits and stuff. So it's pretty spacious. I really like that about this shape. And I'll show you the other one. So this you may have already seen. This I got like a couple of months back. This is the laptop bag, and I absolutely love this one as well. Again, it's very spacious. It's all Ikat print all over, and here it has like a zipper, so you can place anything like your lipsticks or like pads or anything basically. So I have a lipstick and the pads. So again, here you have a zipper, or like you can even have your keys, or like something that you need handy to be around, like when you open the zipper. So this space is also nice. Here also there's a zipper, and you can put your cards or like charger and all that. I have like my wallet, some medicines, and sticky notes, and a tiny little perfume, little snacks. That's it. So yeah, basically what I'm trying to say, it's like very spacious. So all this put together also, basically when you zip it up, it doesn't look bulky. And this is your regular inside space. Here you can fit in your laptop and charger. So you can place your laptop here at the back in this compartment, and you can place your charger here or vice versa. And then here again it has these compartments for your phone, pens, or in our case liquid lipsticks which are longer, and comb or anything else. And then again there's a zipper where I put my card and perfume. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the space. So again, very spacious and very comfortable with all the compartments that it has. That's the best part, along with the design. So I really like this, and I've been using this non-stop. Before I got this one, I've been using just this, because it's like very comfortable. And whenever I'm heading out, I obviously need to take my laptop, even if I'm going to my parents' house, or just generally when I'm heading out, because I'm working, because all of us are working from home now. So laptop, and it will also fit in your other essentials. So this is like your perfect everyday office and college kind of a bag. Very useful and also very aesthetic. Looks really good with your Indian wear and everyday office wear and your casual dresses and everything. So that way it's really good. So these are the three that I wanted to show you guys in this haul. So this is my recent haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll also leave my discount code right here, so do check that out if you're going to purchase. And also let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, and also tell me what other videos you would like to watch. I hope you found this video useful. I'll leave the discount code in the description box and also all the links, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also find me on Instagram, and I'll also leave my website priyankaboppanaofficial.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.